Welcome back to the channel. So while the subframe is off, let's clean the exhaust. So in this video, we are going to be cleaning the exhaust, just this part, because this is actually a very tight spot. If I do it while the subframe is on and the rear set is here, there's technically no access to this except for, I don't know how, but this is the right time for me to clean this. And I've been planning to do this for quite some time, and we are going to be using Harpic. I haven't done this, so I'm not pretty sure how this will go. But because this is acid, we're gonna be neutralizing this at the end of the video. So let's do this. So we are using Harpic, gloves, cup, some sponge, and some, what do you call this? Some abrasive brush and paintbrush. And of course, use PPE, proper PPE. So I'm not sure how long we should keep this. So let's leave this for 10 minutes for now, and then let's scrub it and let's see. Out of curiosity, 5 minutes? Let's put another layer. Because this is rust, I think this is going to be much more stubborn than what you can see on other videos, which is just dirt. So this might take a while. You see, this has cleared much more faster. Looks like it doesn't have that much rust. So this is going to be a longer process as compared to what we see on videos. So I scrubbed this after 10 minutes and it was just, it can get as clean as this. Then let's try this one. So let's apply more and give it more time. This is the longest that I left it on the exhaust, 20 minutes. I don't think it's correct to leave it long because it dries up. So let's brush on more Harpic. So if you can see the inner part here, which is not agitated much, the progress is slower. So, what is my take on a task like this? First, don't let your exhaust to get dirty as this. Second is probably use a proper industrial Scotch Brite or abrasive pad. This kitchen stuff, they're not that strong. And then I think this is better done when the exhaust is off the bike, because you can rub it around easier. This will really take a lot of your time. This has already taken an hour and 45 minutes of my time, and I'm still not done, but I have to rinse this now because I have to go to work and I cannot leave this without neutralizing. In theory, I think I need to neutralize this. So make sure to allot time. So to neutralize this, I'm using baking soda, about 2 heaping teaspoons of baking soda. We are going to mix water with it and brush it on the exhaust. I think brush it everywhere, because I'm pretty sure you've spread all the hydrochloric acid everywhere. I'm almost done, but I just don't have time. I'll leave this and hopefully I can work on it tomorrow if I won't be called to work. So let's close this video up. So I left my carbonate of soda on for quite some time, and I'm gonna rinse it later on. This finish is actually better than this because this I use a bit of sandpaper because I'm a little bit impatient. But if I have a better Scotch Brite, what do you call Scotch Brite? Because it's a brand. It's a scuffing pad, I think. So if I have a better scuffing pad, so I'll be buying maybe today or tomorrow, and then work on this again on the next few days. Hopefully, I can do it tomorrow. But this is progress. This is better than how it looked earlier. Just get a better scuffing pad. Maybe if there's a stronger one, I don't know. Should we use a stronger one like muriatic acid? And then don't let your exhaust get as dirty as this or as rusty as this. Then my question is, how can we keep this looking like this, not this, this as longer as we can? So comment down below. What do you think? What is your procedure? I actually haven't done anything like that except for cars where we paint the exhaust. But do you paint motorcycle exhaust? So I don't know. Maybe a brass or copper transfer. You know, when you brush a copper brush on the exhaust and it makes it look goldish. Maybe that. Anyways, comment down below. So thank you for watching. Hope you got something from this video. Peace. I guess that's enough time and I can rinse this now.